So in this free cash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money into Dogecoin here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up on the main screen here, just kind of go to the middle bottom right area and select the cash out icon. Once you're here, just scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says crypto, and then slide this all the way to the right until you come across the dog icon or the Dogecoin. Once you're here, go ahead and press withdraw. Now on the screen, you have a couple different options. You can do this through the Dogecoin address or through stake. Type in the following information and if all looks good to you. You can see how much Dogecoin you'd be receiving. Go to the bottom, press withdraw, and proceed that way. So fairly simple. It's pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can withdraw money into Dogecoin here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.